All right, my dudes, I sort of wanted to touch on if investing $1,000 into Bitcoin today makes any sense as far as it being a good investment, because let's face it, $1,000 isn't exactly a lot of money, but it's still something. And really, if all you had was $1,000 to start investing into crypto, I still think it's a good thing, and at least you're making the effort to get started. But I have an article on Yahoo Finance I wanted to go over that says if you invest 1,000 today in Bitcoin, it could be worth 13,000 in 6 years. And 6 years is a long time from now, but still this would be a good return on your $1,000 if you're looking to park it somewhere safe for the long term. I will also link this article up below if you want to check it out. But basically it says Bitcoin may not have reached its ceiling yet despite massive growth. Right now, Bitcoin prices predictions abound. Many experts argue that the asset will most likely continue on this upward trajectory for a few reasons. Chief among these reasons is the so-called halving set to take place in April, a process which happens every 4 years and has historically boosted prices. Increased interest and traction for Bitcoin has also emerged following the Securities and Exchange Commission's approval of Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds. Yes, Bitcoin is a good investment, said Danny Baer, Director of Wealth and Asset Management at Meanwhile. He added that the key term here is investment, not trade. As he noted, the basic supply-demand dynamics with institutions really driving demand shows that Bitcoin is a long-term store of value, and as is the fundamental scarcity of the asset. Be prudent in your allocation to Bitcoin as you would with any other investment, but over the longer term, Bitcoin will play an increasingly important role in any portfolio, he added. And some experts suggest a 1 million price target for Bitcoin. While at one more cautious end of the spectrum, some experts say the asset will reach 100,000 this year. Others, such as ARK Invest's CEO and crypto bull Cathie Wood, see a $1 million price target for Bitcoin by 2030. And on March 11th, Bernstein analysts said they were now more convinced about Bitcoin hitting 150,000 by mid-2025. CoinDesk reported Anthony Scaramucci, founder and CEO of Skybridge Capital, said he predicts 170,000 by April 2025. Meanwhile, Evander Smart, founder of Bitcoin University, argued that Bitcoin should end 2024 in the 190K range. He noted that Bitcoin produced 150% gains last year without Wall Street, so it should do even better with Wall Street on side in conjunction with the halving event. Okay, so if you buy $1,000 in Bitcoin today, how much could it be worth? If we go by Wood's predictions of Bitcoin hitting 1 million in 2030, that would represent a 1,300% price increase from today's price. In turn, $1,000 in Bitcoin bought today would produce a return of $13,000 return in 6 years. Okay, honestly, guys, this is not a bad return, but it's also going to be a bit boring at this point. Of course, if you're looking to buy Bitcoin right now, or even XRP, because that is one of my biggest holdings, I would recommend checking out Uphold, as it's one of my favorite exchanges to use. But basically, Uphold is still one of the top exchanges for buying and holding crypto. I actually only use 5 exchanges right now, and this is my top one, Speedically, for XRP. And why, you ask? Well, it's simple. They have really good security features here and have also added Vault. Vault is basically a way to get even more protection on your XRP and crypto by taking things offline and giving you keys. It's sort of like a Ledger or Trezor, but connected with them. It's cool, and it's also cool to see that they're innovating in this space. You can also trade upwards of 300 different cryptocurrencies in here, precious metals, fiat currencies, and even stocks. You can sort of see I own some other things on here other than XRP, like a little bit of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Engine Coin. Of course, if you guys wanted to get started on Uphold, there will be some bonus and resource links you can check out directly below in the description for getting started here. Okay, next I'd like to wrap things up going over 5 coins I think are good ways to hedge against XRP, not financial advice. But I do own these as well and believe in the long-term viability of them. First up is SingularityNet. SingularityNet is a blockchain platform anyone can use to create, share, and monetize AI services. It provides a global AI marketplace where users can purchase all kinds of AI services with the AGIX utility token. The AI boom has been one of the most exciting recent technological developments, both for cryptocurrency and the world as a whole. SingularityNet is well positioned to capitalize on the trend with a large team of AI scientists, researchers, and developers. The platform makes it easy for users to buy AI services or develop and sell their own. SingularityNet already had quite a bit of success early last year with its price increasing by more than 300%. It later declined, likely due to some investors taking their profits. However, it could see more success as AI and the number of companies using AI continue to grow. Second is Thorchain. Thorchain is a decentralized crypto exchange that operates through an automated market maker AMM model. It has liquidity pools for cryptocurrencies managed by smart contracts. Anyone can use Thorchain by connecting their blockchain wallet to trade over 5,500 cryptocurrencies. Centralized crypto exchanges have had their share of high-profile issues, including the collapse of FTX in 2022. It's understandable why many investors would want full control of their crypto and use decentralized exchanges when possible. While many decentralized exchanges are available, Thorchain stands out for its experience in the space and recent growth. It was founded in 2018, but business really started picking up toward the end of last year. In November 2023, it had about $1 billion per week in swap volume. Next is Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai is an AI lab that allows individuals or organizations to build their own autonomous agents. The agents can then handle real-world tasks for the user. Agents store data and interact with one another on a blockchain platform so they can collaborate without human interaction. FET tokens are the native cryptocurrency for Fetch.ai. As such, they're used to make payments on its network. This is another cryptocurrency that did well in 2023 due to the hype around AI technology. Its value went up by almost 300% toward the end of the year. While that's a sizable gain, based on the kinds of returns other popular projects have gotten, there's likely still plenty of room to keep growing. Fourth, we have none other than Bitcoin. Like Ethereum, Bitcoin is already a top cryptocurrency, the top cryptocurrency to be exact. While it's certainly not a dark horse crypto that's going to triple in value, it has had some very positive news to start the year. After years of waiting, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, finally approved Bitcoin ETFs on Jan 10, 2024. There are now 11 Bitcoin ETFs available, and they saw $4.6 billion in trading volume on the first day. The SEC approval makes investing in the market's largest cryptocurrency easier than ever and could lead to more institutional investors buying Bitcoin. And last is Monero. Monero is the best known privacy coin, which means it is a cryptocurrency with anonymous, untraceable transactions. It uses privacy enhancing technology to keep the sender, recipient, and amount of every transaction hidden. This coin has been around since 2014, a long time in a market that moves as quickly as cryptocurrency. It's an interesting investment now because of increasing crypto regulation in many countries, including the United States. There are plenty of people who want to keep their cryptocurrency transactions private, especially as regulations become stricter. That gives Monero a clear use case and makes it a dark horse pick for a crypto that could see continued success. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed these picks. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you all in the next video.